This time I don't have to pixelate my feet.
Hold up. Did I hear feet? That's right. Foot Merch is here to celebrate my 100K foot reveal. Rep PHIA and directly support the channel and snag your limited edition embroidered hat before it's gone forever. Bundle that hat with any other new item and get 10% off your entire purchase. Now, back to the unboxing.
Okay, so I've got 3 packages here while you play your video game.
Almost done.
I wonder what's in my first box. I don't actually know what's in these boxes other than the vest. I'm assuming like accessories or like gear to help set it up. But I'm not entirely sure what else is gonna be in here. Oh, whoa. Oh, these are the arms. These are the arms.
Oh wow.
It says, stop imagining, start feeling. Oh, that's chills. Oh, wow. It says, virtual sense for hyper-realism. And then on the box, it has PC gaming. Ooh, PC gaming. And then it has VR.
Yeah.
Ooh, VR. And then it says music and movie. And you've got some nerds in a movie theater. Ooh, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna open all the boxes and then I'm gonna open the boxes that were inside of the boxes. Okay, now I open box number 2. That's what number 2 means. Whoa. Whoa. It says tact suit. Next generation haptic solution. So this is, I guess, what you put underneath your headset to feel the face vibrations.
Do you feel when you get punched?
Yeah, so when I get punched in the face, that's so cool. It says the most elaborate. Okay. It says the most elaborate. Oh, this is so bright. Haptic feedback. Enjoy the freedom of wireless. Feel sensations on your forehead. Wow. Compatible
so
with existing HMDs. Okay, that's epic. Tactile. Haptic face cushion for VR HMDs. Okay, time to open the... Ow. Cut my finger.
Yeah.
The most important part of the video. Ugh. The giant haptic vest that's gonna make me look like a tiny little PHIA. Because I bet it's not made for women's size.
It might be.
Perhaps. Oh my god. Pog? Can I just say poggers in the chat? Wow. This is so big. She said. Taxsuit X40 B Haptics. Be happy, Tix. That's my life advice. Oh, that's beautiful. This is so beautiful. Okay, well, I guess this is the most important part to open first. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna open this. Does it have any cool things I can read? www.bhaptics.com.
Very genuine reaction.
Odd. Holy shit, this is so cool! Bro! I can't believe that I own this. This is so cool. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta get the plastic off.
Are you ready to be player one?
Yeah, I'm ready to be player 1. Oh, it's heavy. Wow. I'm gonna look so funny in this. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, it says suit up, sync up, be haptic. Okay, I need to save the manual. Oh, and it comes with accessories? Oh my god. This is a nice box. Buy box. Bluetooth dongle. And a cable. Okay. I want to put this puppy on.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is so cool. Whoa. It's not as big as I thought it would be. Luckily for me, the smallest size fits perfectly.
It's gonna go ba 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 ba.
Whoa. I feel ripped.
Yeah.
It looks like I have like a 6-pack. I totally didn't just get home from a giant dinner. I totally just came back from the gym. I feel like a Power Ranger. Or a cop. I need like a beater stick.
A cop.
I'll beat you up,
Okay.
bad guys.
Is that what the police do?
Yes.
They say, I'll beat you up, bad
With their
guys."
beater sticks. You don't get from the criminal.
A nightstick.
Is that what it's called? A nightstick?
Yeah.
Something else I know is called a nightstick.
What?
What?
Oh.
So I can play this with my Quest? Audio-based haptics? So I could use this instead of having, a Wooger or
Sub-hat.
a sub-hat. Pairing the touch suit with PC. Oh my god, it's gonna look so funny when I have this entire haptic suit on and I'm doing like 11-point tracking in Neos. Okay, I'm opening up my arms. My arms! Ah, my arms! Okay. Tactozy for arms.
Wait. Tactozy. That's a funny ass name.
Tactozy. Bring around the rosy. Something, something tactozy. I feel like when you go to the doctor and they take your blood pressure.
The pressure cuff.
I have the power. These are my Infinity Gauntlets. Okay, interesting. This seems like it'll be the most tedious part, is putting this on when I want to do VR. Okay, so I've got the HMD thingy attached, but it's got Velcro on the back, so they gave me these little stickers. I'm gonna put them on here. And then just rest them above my earpiece. Oh, that feels so uncomfortable. And there's a huge gap between my nose and my headset. There's a really big gap. I might be playing without this part of the headset, to be honest.
You look like you're about to fist Thanos.
Whoa, it's buzzing.
I heard that.
I'm about to fist Thanos.
Yeah.
Watch out, Thanos. You're about to get fisted. Oh, that's so weird. Whoa. Whoa. It's really buzzing. This is buzzing so hard. It tickles, it tickles, it tickles. Oh, it's weird because the different frequencies make different parts of the vest happen. It doesn't seem like my things are... Oh, never mind, it is definitely working. Oh my god! Jesus Christ. Oh, I think they're tracking to the wrong arms. Yeah, oh my god, my arms are swapped. Oh yeah. Oh, it feels so weird buzzing my arms.
rage. Oh my god, this is so weird.
Eat 2 sets of pills. It should get you up quite a bit.
Oh, that felt weird. Oh, the pills were doing
What?
a shimmy inside of me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, you're up to 8.
Paul Brown, did you remember to wipe your ass? Uh-oh. I feel it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, I feel him. Oh, no! Okay, that was really weird. Alright, thank you for helping me die.
You're welcome.
You're amazing. This is the man of my dreams right here. This is the man of my dreams. Alright, well, we just got done playing Phasmophobia, and I gotta say, the arm things hurt. My little big arms. They get quite painful. I took the head thing off a while ago because that was hurting. But the vest itself feels amazing. And the ghosts, when they come and eat me, not very pog. Not pog, so scary. But it was amazing. Hey, haptics!
Special thanks to this month's Patreon members and virtual VIPs, Backsorn, Dutech, Klukule, Scoremaller,